Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Slack. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your